Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find t value. Solution: 2 power t equal to t power 32. Now we are going to add in power 1 by t on both sides. So 2 power t whole power 1 by t equal to t power 32 whole power 1 by t. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. We are going to apply this here, so we'll get 2 power t times 1 by t equal to t power 32 times 1 by t. Now this t cancels this, so here 2 equal to t power 32 times of 1 is 32 by t. Now we are going to add 1 by 32 on both sides here, so 1 by 32 equal to t power 32 by t 1 by 32. Now we are going to apply that express identity that, so 2 power 1 by 32 here equal to t power 32 by t times 1 by 32. Now this 32 cancels this, so we have 2 power 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. Now we are going to consider here in 2 power 1 whole power 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. Now this 1 can be written as 2 by 2. So 2 power 2 by 2 whole power this 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. Now we are going to apply this express identity that 2 power 2 by 2 times here 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. 2 power 2 by 2 times 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. Now just we are going to multiply this, so we'll get 2 power this 2 whole power this can be written as 1 by 2 times 1 by 32 equal to t power 1 by t. So 2 power 2 is 4 power this 1 times 1 is 1, this is 2 times 32 is 64 equal to t power 1 by t. Now 4 power, again we are going to add 2 by 2 whole power 1 by 64 equal to t power 1 by t. Now this can be written as 4 power 2 whole power 1 by 2 times 1 by 64 equal to t power 1 by t. Now 4 power 2 is 16 power 1 times 1 is 1 by this is 120 8 equal to t power 1 by t. Now we are going to add 2 by 2 here. 2 by 2 whole power 1 by 128 equal to t power 1 by t. Now applying this, we'll get 60 power 2 whole power 1 by this 2 times 1 by 128 equal to t power 1 by t. Now this can be written as 16 power 2 is 256 power 1 times 1 is 1 by this is 256 equal to t power 1 by t. If you see, this base are same, powers also same. So t equal to 256. This is the answers in this method. Now we are going to verify this. 2 power t equal to t power 32. Substituting this, 2 power 256 equal to 256 to the power of 32. 2 power 256 equal to this 256 can be written as 2 to the power of 8 whole power 32. Two power 256 equal to 2 power 8 times of 32. So 2 power 256 equal to 2 power 8 times of 32 is 256. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Thanks for watching this video.